Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear recycle bin in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear the recycle bin on your Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icons available for us. Tap on the three lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you'll be able to find the recycle bin option available for us over here. Just above the benefits, tap on recycling bin, and all of your deleted items on Terabox will be over here. Now to clear the recycle bin, at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see the clear all button available for us. If you tap on the clear all button at the top right corner of the screen, then your recycle bin will be clear out on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear recycle bin in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.